All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Gunfish TV. As y'all can see, it's early in the morning, and I'm getting ready to go fish a bass tournament. I'm meeting up with my buddy Lee at 258 boat ramp on the Nottoway, and we're fishing a top cat tournament. It's a couple guys, or a group of guys that have mainly a catfish club, but they're having a bass tournament. And me and my buddy Lee, we're going to jump in on it and see what we can do. And you know, it should be fun. The tournament's from 6:30 to 11, so it's not a real long tournament, but they are calling for some rain later this evening, so it don't bother me so much anyway. But we're not going to run very far from the ramp. We're going to put a head down. We're going to fish. We're going to see if we can catch some big ones. Let's go ahead and head to the ramp. I'll see y'all there. We're going to hit that real quick. We're gonna hit it we're just gonna hit it real quick.
Yep.
We're gonna hit it going
and go.
And then we're gonna hit it coming back. Yep. Yep, I'm gonna throw the buzz bait. There he is. There he is. Oh, God. 2 plus. Doggone it. There he is. Oh my God, that was a 3-pounder.
Good one, dude.
Lee, what are you doing?
Dude, his dad is not freaking eating.
Dude, he ate the whole thing. I sat there and watched him.
Mighty.
Oh my God. Let me pick up this darn frog. Damn, dude, that was a 3 plus. Get the net. Oh, dude, he's hungry there. Yeah, there we go.
Two down.
Chunk. God damn, boy, what in? There goes my box. God. Damn. Boy, oh boy, let me tell you what. If this ain't a circus. All right.
Hey, let me put the first one in the boat, though.
There should be. All right, hey. There should be number 3, doggone it.
It should be.
Dude, if they ain't stacked up right here. All right, get it. That's a chunk too. All right, so this fish is orange. Boy,
you need to drill that other side. You know that?
Yeah. All right, dude, I saw him coming from the side.
Yeah.
Oh my God almighty. That was a good one. God, no, man, you got to be freaking kidding me.
Guess I ain't setting the hook hard enough either.
It almost felt like when I stuck him, like it almost like I felt it like slip out of his mouth. Man. But there goes 3 lost fish. And that was like I said, that was a darn good one. That's why these short tournaments, man, them doggone losing fish, they will, man. I mean, it hurts you any tournament. If we were fishing a tournament all day and we lost them, I'd be upset too. Yep. But at least you feel like you got a little bit of time to recoup. That's right. There ought to be some fish at this one. Man, we should get one right here. This has always been a good spot. Oh God, there it go, I dug it. See if he bites your. Dude, all he did was come up and just bit it. He didn't even. Shit. Boy, what are we doing today?
You gonna do?
I'm gonna tell you what. She done.
No, man, we ain't starting out like this. Nope.
She done. I mean, dude, she.
That's straight through.
Yeah.
I mean, he's on it.
Get him. Got him.
Dude,
Little teeny.
Dog, they small, man.
Man, I can't believe that. Doggone trolling motor got me. Darn it. Missing and losing, missing and losing. What in the...
Did you just backlash that again?
Dude, my line had wrapped around my darn hook holder. And when I picked my reel up, my rod up to cast, it freaking... Man, you gotta be... Ain't you? One thing for stuff to happen, but shit started getting dumb and started to irritate me a little bit. Ain't gonna make it. Let's fish on that old buzzbait day.
Man did that, you and your dog, what were you doing? I was hollering.
Well, got him? Yep. He'll keep. Don't get him into the... Yeah, he'll keep. I don't know if he'll keep or not. He shrunk. He shrunk.
What do you think, Adam?
No, heck no.
Yeah.
Yeah. He ain't gonna make it. Nope. Any way you do him, he ain't gonna make it. Darn. Oh God, did you see him? Did you see him? 3+, bro. What? No, I never stuck him, dude. That might have been a 4. Did you see how big he was? What in the hell? How about that built 4-pounder, 3+ that I just freaking missed right then? How about that? Come right up and freaking boiled on it, ate it. Dude, he didn't even eat it though.
I dropped my rod.
I mean, the whole fish just...
Yep.
God.
Hold on for him.
Yeah.
You 12?
Yeah. I don't know if he's gonna go 12 or not. He ain't gonna go 12. Yeah. Buzz, bait boy. He ain't gonna make it.
Same guy again, ain't it?
No, 11.5.
We got some big fish for him.
11.5 inches. That's like, I don't know how many that is. That size range we done caught. But they ain't helping us, I can tell you that.
Missed some good ones this morning.
Yeah, I can't.
Good ones there.
Yeah. We done, man, we should have a good bag.
Yep.
Doggone it. That's the way it goes though.
Yep.
Sometimes.
Right there.
Yeah, we'll stop right here and fish fish that mouth and then we'll fish down it. I'm gonna pick up the chatterbait. Just see if there's any fish sitting here on the outside, you know. Just see if there's any fish sitting right on this outside drop. Well, you don't do much. You don't do much up there in the old bushes. Tell you that. There he is. There he is, Lee. Oh God, blackfish on the freaking jackhammer. Oh. Now why that couldn't have that? Oh my God, just broke it off. Well, let me tell you something. If that ain't how you cap a day off right now, having a blackfish steal a freaking $22 freaking jackhammer. You know, I guess I shouldn't expect anything different about today. Well, there goes $22.99.
That's it, all day. All day.
When he bit it, he rolled. You know, he kind of rolled, and I was worried that he had it. I couldn't even see it in his mouth. I mean, he had it engulfed. And he just made that teeny little bit of run and cut line. Dude, we're fishing a tournament. We got to weigh in at 11.
Yeah,
we done got our ass kicked. I can tell you that. We ain't got but one.
What y'all doing?
Fishing a tournament, man. We ain't got but one. We're weighing in at 11. Yeah.
Roll, man. You gotta weigh in.
Yeah. We weigh in at 11. It's 10:54. He's winning. 1 pound, 4 ounces. All right, one fish, one alive. 13 ounces. 2 fish, 2 alive. Right. 2 fish, 2 alive. 2 pounds, 2 ounces. Somebody want to verify it? 2 pounds, 11 ounces. 210. Set on 210. 2 pounds, 10 ounces. Well, as y'all saw, we only had one fish for 2 pounds, 10 ounces. That's it. But guess what? First place with 2 pounds, 10 ounces. Never in my life have I ever done that. The fishing was extremely tough. We lost those fish in the beginning. The water was moving out, was pushing out good. The bite was just, I mean, first thing it was just boom, 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 but we couldn't get them in the freaking boat. We just kept losing them. I don't know what's up. I mean, we should have had 14 plus pounds. Ended up bringing in one fish. We were severely disappointed. You know, we had sucked it up, basically. I mean, we just sucked. And the fishing was tough for everybody, extremely tough. And we pulled off the W. I really don't know how, but had a good time. Never really figured anything out whatsoever. We stopped on the first spot, and after that, we just struggled. The river stopped running, the water pushed back in, and it just come to a dead standstill. And when it does that, it gets extremely tough. Not to mention, it's like 400 degrees outside, so I'm kind of glad the tournament ended at 11. I'm going to be honest with you. But got it done again. It is what it is. I had fun fishing with those guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time on Gunfish TV.